How to add end screen video on YouTube videos. Firstly, what is end screen video on YouTube? End screen are pictures displayed at the end of a YouTube video. These are videos, but it's normally shown with the video thumbnail and title, and it's also added to get more viewers to your videos, especially when you have good thumbnails and titles. On this video, I will teach you how to add this end screen, but before we proceed, thanks to Marian Diza for your subscribe so far. You can also go ahead to subscribe if you want to be mentioned on the next video. Also subscribe for more tech videos and tips. Okay guys, let's go. To set the end screen, you need to log into your YouTube Studio account, not the YouTube Studio app. I mean the YouTube Studio website. So now go to your Chrome browser. If you are also using a system, I mean a laptop or a computer, you can also set this. It's still the same Chrome browser. Now log into your YouTube Studio account. This is my YouTube Studio account. But you don't have the YouTube Studio account over here, just search for studio.youtube.com. So this is the studio, this is my YouTube Studio dashboard. Now click here. This is to get all your contents. So this is my videos. These are all my contents. Now you have to choose the video which you want to add the end screen. Just click on the video you want to add the end screen. For example, let's choose this video. So just click on the video and click on this button here. So this is the video details. Now by the right, you will see the end screen. So click on the end screen. So these are the end screen. These are the elements. This is for one video and one subscribe button. These are for two videos. This is for two videos. So you have to choose the one you want. This is also for two videos and one subscribe button. So for example, let's choose one video and one subscribe. Now all you have to do is to set it where you want to set, where you want it to be. Then now choose a specific video. Just click here to choose a video. So now you have to choose one of your video which you want to in the end screen video. So for example, let's choose this. Let's choose this video. As you can see, the video is the picture, the thumbnail has already been displayed on the video. So now you have to edit it
edit it to the time you want. Let's just leave it this way. I've added the end screen and the subscribe button. So now click on save. Click on save. So I've added the end screen. Now let's check what you have done. So let's go to YouTube and check our work. Just go to your channel. And scroll down to the video. So this is the video. This is the video. Now let's check it. For the fact that the end screen show at the last of the video, so you have to skip the video. Let's check it.
So as you can see,
that is it. This is the end screen video. This is the end screen thumbnail, and this is also the subscribe button. So this is how to add the end screen video on any of your video. So that is it.